guys, who disliked my video? You should tell in the comments who disliked my videos, and be honest. Just tell your name in the comments. Okay? Just tell your name in the comments. What's your name? Who disliked my videos? And I just made this video. Come on, guys. Why did you dislike? Why did you dislike my video? Whoever tries to do that, I'm gonna just type your name. Okay?